Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 14 July and today I am talking about the string string of object method of string. So string in Java or objects are blocked that are backed internally by the char array. Since array internally by a char array, since array are immutable, cannot grow, strings are immutable as well. Whenever a change to a string is made, an entirely new string is created. Now see method in string are following: public char at index. This method requires an integer argument that indicates the position of character that the method returns. This method returns the character located at the string specified index. Remember, string index are zero based. For example, string x is equal to double inverted airplane system.out.println bracket of x dot char at 2. So public string concat char at strings. This method returns a string with the value of the string passed into the method appended to the end of string used to invoke the method. For example, string x is equals to double inverted book, so string out dot println, so x concat double inverted author, like output is a double inverted book author. The overloaded and the plus operator equals to operator performs function similar to the converted to the concat method. For example, string x is equal to double inverted library, so system.out.println x plus double inverted card, so output is a double inverted library card. String x is equal to double inverted united, so x plus equals to double inverted states, so system.out.println bracket of x, the output is a double inverted united states. So public boolean equals ignore case string s. This method returns a boolean value depending on whether the value of string in the argument is the same as the value of string used to invoke the method. This method will return true even or when character in the string objects being compared have a differing cases. For example, string x is equals to double inverted exit system.out.println, so x is a equals ignore case bracket of double inverted exit is a true. System.out.println x dot equals ignore case is a types public int length. This method returns the length of a string used to invoke the method. For example, string x is equal to double inverted of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so system.out.println bracket of x dot length, so public string replace char old and char new. This method returns a string whose values that of the string used to invoke the method updated so that any occurrence of the character in the first argument is replaced by the char in the second argument. For example, string x is equal to double inverted of x ox system.out.println, so x replace x capital small single inverted x into single inverted of capital X. So public string substring int begin, public string substring int begin to end. So in that case the substring method is used to return a part of the string used to invoke the method. The first argument represent the starting location 0 based of the substring. If the call has only one argument, so the substring returned will include the character to the end of the original string. If call has the two low arguments, the substring return will end with the character and located in the nth position so of the original string, where n is the second argument. Unfortunately, the ending argument is not 0 based. So if the second argument is 7, the last character in the return string will be the original string 7 position, which is index 6. Let's look at the same example, public string lowercase. This method returns a string whose value is the string used to invoke the method, but with any uppercase character converted to the lowercase. For example, string x is equals to bracket of a new Java book, system.out.println Java book. So system.out.println x dot to lowercase, so public string to uppercase. This method returns a string whose value is the string used to invoke the method, but with any lowercase characters converted to uppercase. For example, string x is equal to double inverted a new Java book, system.out.println x to uppercase. Public string trim. This method returns a string whose value is the string used to invoke the method, but with any leading or trailing blank space removed. For example, string x is equal to double inverted hi, system.out.println x plus double inverted x, result is hi x, system.out.println x dot trim plus double inverted x. So this method will produce an array of characters of string object. For example, string s is equals to double inverted Java char array char equals to s2 char array. Public boolean contains. This method returns to and target string containing such string provided in the argument. For example, string x is equals to double inverted Java is a programming language, system.out.println. The x contains this will print false, output contains Java. Thank you.